Well, good morning there. Welcome to this week's video, and good to have you guys back. Look, stay on. There we go. Oh, he's taking a bit more line. We've had 10 days of wind and rain and horrible weather. We've got another 10 days of wind and rain and horrible weather coming. But there's a gap in the weather today, so I mean, why wouldn't you? Today's video is sponsored by the good folks at Top Catch Half Moon Bay. Clips the man there. As you walk through the doors go whoosh. You can say fish on and tell him Pierre sent you, and he can sort you out with a reasonably good discount. I'm told he sponsors my videos, so thanks Clip, good one. So today I've got an announcement to make about the channel, I suppose. Stick around for that, but later in the video I'll tell you what's up, changes afoot and what's going on. But other than that, my name's Pierre. I'm a fisherman and a pensioner. So this is what I do. I'm a fisherman and a videographer. I enjoy making these videos as much as I do the fishing. That keeps me busy and just keep fit as well. I play badminton, so all in all, pretty good life. So it's just about dead high tide right now. We're at the top of the tide, so we've got 6 hours of outgoing tide, so we get a fair bit of flow once we're fishing, which is good. According to all the apps that I look at, it shouldn't rain today, but I can see a rainbow over Mount Wellington. In New Zealand, a rainbow normally means there's rain coming. I don't know, so we'll go this way, we might outrun that. Hope so, otherwise I've got to get the wet weather gear out. It's not cold though, it's not unpleasant. So rain and no wind is okay. Rain and wind is not nice. We'll see. Well, I didn't quite make it up the river before the rain came through. It's not raining really hard, but I just managed to get my wet jacket on. And rain's coming from over there, so maybe it's clear this side. We'll head out that way and it's a passing shower. Well, I've tried to outrun the storm, but it seems to be following me up the river. But hey, well, look at this. There's the start of the rainbow. And not sure if the camera will pick that up. Just stunning. So this is Motutapu Island, and we're coming up to Home Bay. Yeah, the weather has followed us through, and this is a bit more sheltered here. So we'll go through here and you can have a look. So we cruised through Home Bay on Motatapu Island, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's just stunning. There's a delightful little pimple of an island just here with some trees on it. Look really exotic looking. So I'll put the anchor down. I think we'll just pop the drone up quickly, go and have a quick look. So we steamed down to Sergeant's Channel. We're in only 14 meters of water, but there's quite a bit of tidal flow, and if I'm going to get the bait to the bottom of the bottom, I'll be able to catch something or get a bite. But I'm not on anchor, I'm drifting, but I'm drifting quite fast and leaving the I've got a 5-ounce sinker there in the bait, and it's quite far back. Although I'm drifting this way, the bait's out that way. Not on the bottom. It's struggling to get to the bottom for some reason. Too much flow. Might need to drop the anchor and try that. Yeah, it's too far well out there. It is blowing, a little bit of wind, probably 10-12 knots. A couple of guys out. That side of the lee of the island. Maybe that's what I'll do. I think I might move over to the lee of the island. Any luck? Keep it, big one. Oh gosh. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's 10 meters, but sure what? No luck down that side. Too much flow, eh? Yeah. I know, it's hard, eh? So I'm in the lee of Motahi Island, and a little bit choppy, bit of wind, but I did put an anchor down. We're in 9.5, 10 meters of water. Put an anchor down, and I've got a 5-ounce sinker to get the bait to the bottom. I've got both rods out. I've had a few nibbles on this one. There we go. That's the most action I've had all day. A couple of nibbles. Yeah, struggle to stay on the bottom in this flow. About halfway through the tide running out, tide running that way, but it's pushing me this way, so must be circling in this bay. So this is the third drop. Every drop I'm getting nibbles. There's action there. They are interested. Turn you guys a little bit and have a look. Struggling to stay on the bottom in this flow. Yep. Keeps doing that. I reckon they've cleaned me out. Woo-hoo-hoo, fish on! First fish of the day! Gosh, it's been hard work. Putting up a bit of a fight. Gosh, hard work. But the first fish of the day, there's our first snapper. So we're not on a duck. I was beginning to worry that we'd be ending up going on a duck. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. A beautiful little snapper. And on the very next drop, fish on. So that's 2 drops, 2 fish. So maybe it's bite time. It's not a big one, of course, but that was a quick success rate. Fish on! Not big, or not big, but on the light rod. Come on up, come on up. Number 3 for the day. Not big, but he's there. There we go. Beautiful little snapper. So this one is for, it's a shout out to my grandsons Hadrian and Leo. They, as you know, if you've been paying attention, they got a new sister, what, 2.5 weeks ago, Raphael. So Hadrian and Leo, I hope you're looking after Raphael, helping her to grow up. And are you teaching her to speak yet? Oh, that's better. Fish on! That's better. Oh, not sure if it's a keeper, but certainly better than the first 3. Maybe we're putting something in the bait. Let's have a look. Bobbing, it's a snapper. Oh, he's bigger, but I don't think he's big enough. So I'm just getting some more bait out. And I think we're on here. Oh yeah, fish on! Fish on! He's not big, but he's there. Oh no, he's gone! So I got something on here. Don't know what it is. It's not a... No, it's gone. So I'll just get the big rod down, and I can see there's a bit of action on the light rod. Oh, I don't know if they're there, but let's get this one down and have a look. Who knows? He's on the bottom. Put the ratchet on. Give him a little bit of time to play with there. Let's have a look what's on this one. There was a bit of a bobble on this rod. Nah, nothing there. So it's quite bizarre. We're catching little fish. You can see there the fish finder's going off, so there are fish here, but nothing to take home yet. Never mind, it is good fun. Fish on! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yep. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. You're taking a bit of line. Come on. Taking a bit of line. Let's get him on. Fish on. At last. It's been hard work. Stay on. There we go. Oh, he's taking a bit more line. He's a snapper. Oh, not a bad little snapper. Doubt he's a keeper, but lovely looking fish. So I'm getting hammered. He's not there. There's still bait on though. He's come back again. At last! Fish on! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh yes, oh yes, at last! Another one of those. Snapper. The way he's bobbing, it's got to be a snapper. Take him at a line. Don't think he's big. Oh, there we go. So Berkeley's fishing, and I think we've got something on there. So I'll put you down there. I hope you can see that. I'll put you there. Tell me if you can see this. Fish on! Oh yes, oh yes. Fish on! Gosh, just when I wasn't concentrating. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful little fish. So I've got a fresh battery in there, so you guys will be with me for the rest of the day. We're down to the last pilchard. We've caught a lot of fish, but no keepers yet. So I've probably got 2 more drops. This drop and another drop. What a lot of good fun though. Gee whiz. Been out there, seen some beautiful sights. Caught a dozen or so fish. Good fun, good fun. It is cold, it's getting up, it is winter, but good fun. Oh man, just love it. No luck on that one, that drop. Oh, I also forgot to say I've got an announcement to make. So if you've stuck out till this part of the video, you can hear my announcement. So before I tell, oh, there we go. Hold on, let me get this. There we go, fish on! Oh yeah, take a bit of line. There we go. A little snapper. Wait. Right, where was I? That's the last bait going down. And as I said at the start, I've got an announcement to make. Changes are afoot. So just put that down. As of last week, Outsmart is for sale, is on the market. So I'm selling the boat. The plan loosely at this stage is to move to a slightly larger boat in the marina on the walk-on berths. So rest assured the fishing and the videos will continue, but possibly not on this boat. So there's an announcement. Oh, hold on, fish on, last drop of the day. Ah, he's gone. Gosh, and that felt quite good. Last drop of the day, no more bait. Oh well, we'll have to pack up and head home. It's going to be a rough ride home, the wind's gone up, but nevertheless. So I've got a pet hummingbird that I've trained to hit the bell when it wants to get some seeds. I reckon it's a bit of a humdinger. Oh gosh. Well, what a fantastic day out. Middle of winter, cold but beautiful. Fantastic. A rough ride home. Nothing the Smartwave couldn't handle. There's a bit of video footage you can see. It was quite rough. We managed to slow down to sit at about 13 and a half, 14 knots through that rough patch. But nevertheless, we're up the river, we're coming home. Fantastic day out. Really, really, really good day out. Love it, love it, love it. If you you've enjoyed this, smash us a like, and if you want to see more of this, I ask you to consider subscribing, so I'll appreciate that. Other than that, as Jeremy Clarkson says, and on that bombshell, good night.